Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be doing my submission for the Lockpicking Coal Miners 100 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to be doing my master number 570. It's a 5-pin lock with some spools. Usually a very light tension. If anybody saw my earlier video, you can see my bandage is no longer on my finger. It's starting to heal up pretty good. Still a little tough picking. Go for a reset. I usually get into this pretty quickly, but as usual, you get on camera and they become shy. Probably because I'm constantly looking at the screen on my phone to make sure that I'm still in frame. So I'm not giving all my attention when I pick on camera like I when I'm sitting by myself. And here we go, and we're open. And I just want to say good luck to everybody else in the giveaway, and congratulations to Lockpicking Coal Miner. 100 subscribers is a great accomplishment, and I wish you many more subscribers. This is kind of my go-to lock for my warm-up sessions, and if I'm struggling with other locks, this is always one I go back to just to kind of give me a confidence boost. It's just a nice looking lock. I like the finish on it. And have a good day, everybody.